Hi, what's up? My name is Terumi. I am owner of Japan Language Factory. I do this communication coaching and speaking training. If you say, I really want to write Japanese kanji, then I cannot help you because kanji is 2,500 kanji. We learn more than 10 years. We learn more than 10 years every single day. Then it's going to be a very difficult actual challenge to write down Japanese. But if you say, I would love to communicate with Japanese. I would love to speak Japanese like native, then this video probably can help you to actually really learn how to speak Japanese as soon as possible. So, I am native Japanese. I am a huge fan of Mission Impossible, James Bond. I really wanted to speak English like native. But, the reality when you decided to learn language is very boring, My image is like I speak English like a native, like a Britney Spears, like a Justin Bieber. I don't know. I really want to speak English in a cool way. Maybe you are hoping to speak Japanese like native, like really native. But the reality is very boring. Every single day was a textbook. And then you even don't feel like, can I speak Japanese like a native? I cannot imagine. So, there are so many actual reasons that you can't learn. And I actually found out that reason why I can't learn English and how can I speak English as close as possible to the native. The speaking is all about pronunciation or natural phrases or listening skill, conversation flow. How can you actually communicate like native with a native, Then what actually I did, or maybe what actually you are doing right now, is writing, letters, spelling, kanji, hiragana, katakana, vocabulary, and grammar. But it's what about your speaking training, pronunciation training, listening training, natural conversation? And how can I learn? But my problem was not how can I learn? Not about how can I learn. The problem is how can I stop forgetting words? How can I really increase your vocabulary? You are learning with the YouTube, with the vocabulary like books, with the Duolingo, with the language bunch of application. You are learning. I was learning. But the problem is I don't remember. Right? So, the problem is how can I stop forgetting and how can I actually really memorize every single day? Then, the grammar learning is really inefficient, which is you are just confusing. And even you are not reaching the pronunciation training or like conversation training because you don't know how to make the sentences. There's no communication training because you don't know how to say. So today, you should actually forget this tense. You are actually learning, but it's very useless. Very useless. You should stop learning, because you will never use the tense, is actually this must. When you learn the Japanese grammar, to eat or to drink or to go or to wait, the verbs are very important. Verbs are very, very important to actually start communicating with a native. And then you learn to eat, to drink, or whatever, all these verbs. And okay, I will eat. I ate. I am eating. I didn't eat. I don't eat. I wasn't eating. Whatever, like all these verb tense are, I hate it, actually. So then you should actually focus which tense is really useful and which tense are really useless. For example, I meet somebody, stranger. I want to communicate. Several tenses are useless. Several tenses are useful. For example, today, what are you going to do? Today, what are you going to do? Because maybe you want to have date. You want to hang out with your friend. And that phrase is really useful, right? What are you going to do? 今日何するんですか? 今日何するんですか? What are you going to do? This is useful, right? So that's why, what are you going to do? Then the answer. Mostly, you don't usually say, I don't do something, or I was not doing something, or, I will not do something. Usually you use, first of all, positive tense is more actually possible than negative tense. Why you have to share the negative things, I don't do. You're gonna say, I'm going to do something, right? Then, mostly actually people learn this 飲みます I will drink, or I will eat 食べます I will eat 飲みます I will drink 待ちます I will wait, I will go 行きます行きます飲みます食べます Okay, but you feel like no native people speak like that way. Like my Japanese is very like a robot or like a textbook or very unnatural. Yes, it is. Usually native Japanese people never say 食べます飲みます行きます No, we don't say. Most probably native people say 行くかもしれない行くつもり or 行くと思います which is very natural Japanese. We usually put totally different things, which is probably I am going to do, or I think I will do. I maybe I'm planning to do something, which is we never say this I will do form, which is when you learn this tense in the textbook, 食べます、飲みます、行きます、待ちます、all this mas form is actually shows how you are determined. How much you are determined. I will do. I will change the world. Something like 食べます I will do, which sounds very unnatural. You just want to talk like everyday communication. Hey, what are you going to do today? And probably I'm gonna do this. Probably I will go out maybe tonight. Probably I think I'm planning to do something. We actually say that's a native Japanese phrase, which is 行くかもしれない食べるかもしれない食べると思う I think I will do. Probably I'm gonna do. Or I'm planning to do something. So, what I can say to you today, don't follow your just elementary school textbook, which is what you learn is this unnatural tense. But you really want to communicate with native Japanese, with the natural Japanese phrases, you should really learn what is the natural phrases from the native Japanese. The textbook that you're actually opening is maybe very unnatural. Don't follow it. So then now, I don't know what to do. Textbook is useless. Oh, but I'm spending a time with this textbook, but it's not helping. I wasted my time. If you feel like this, and if you really need a professional help, if you really want to save your time, because you're gonna be a grandpa, you're gonna be a grandma without any progress, I'm start forgetting, but what I learned is everything unnatural, then please contact us. We do this communication coaching. We are not a just a language school that actually gives you a bunch of grammar, vocabulary. But as I said, your problem is not how can I learn. Your problem is how can I stop forgetting? How can I really learn natural Japanese? Then we are here. Please click japanlanguagefactory.com, 2 months master course, free consultation. So if you want to change your life with a Japanese speaking skill, seriously, join our master course, 2 months. So you can be ready to communicate with Japanese people after 2 months. So for example, you can maybe make Japanese friends, you can enter the Japanese company, you can try more conversation with Japanese people every day. So that's why your speaking skill grow up every day. So these 2 months, we're gonna make a perfect the foundation of your Japanese speaking skill. Then you can start speaking with Japanese people, real life or social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, or anywhere that you can actually have the chance to speak. So if you really want to change your life seriously with Japanese communication skill, speech skill, presentation skill, for the business, for the private, let's join the master course.